Hello everyone. I hope you all are doing great. Today in this video we are going to learn about the islands. Let's learn about Andaman and Nicobar Islands. The Andaman and Nicobar Islands are located in the Bay of Bengal. They contain about 300 islands. Most of them are small in size. The northern part is called the Great Andaman while the southern part is called the Nicobar Group. The southernmost point of the Andaman and Nicobar Islands is called the Indira Point. During the British period, prisoners were sent to the cellular jail here. It was called Kalapani. The capital of Andaman and Nicobar Islands is Port Blair. The climate of these islands is pleasant. During the monsoons, rainfall is very heavy. Andaman and Nicobar Islands are places of tourist interest. Port Blair is the capital of this Union Territory. The cellular jail is now turned into a national monument in honor of many freedom fighters. The tribals here speak many languages, but Hindi is the most common language. Fishing is an important occupation. Rice, coconut, rubber, spices, and fruits like papayas and pineapples are widely grown here. Let's learn about Lakshadweep Islands. Lakshadweep Islands are a group of 36 islands in the Arabian Sea. These islands are close to Malabar coast. The Lakshadweep Islands are small and flat. Most of the people rely on agriculture and fishing for their living. Kavaratti is the capital of this union territory. Many tourists visit Lakshadweep because of its coral deposits. Let's learn about the life in the eastern coastal region. The eastern coastal plains include the states of West Bengal, Odisha, Andhra Pradesh, Tamil Nadu, Puducherry, Kanyakumari, and Andaman and Nicobar Islands. Let's learn about West Bengal. West Bengal is the northernmost part of the eastern coastal plains. The state is partly in the northern plains and partly in the coastal plains. Kolkata is the capital of West Bengal. It is situated on the banks of the Hooghly River. The Ganga and the Brahmaputra rivers make the land in the state very fertile. Rice and jute are the main crops. Bhubaneswar is the capital of Odisha. People are engaged in farming, fishing, and mining. Odisha is rich in minerals like iron, coal, and manganese. It is a leading producer of iron ore. Rourkela steel plant is located in Odisha. Jute and rice are the main crops. Odia is the language spoken here. Odissi is the popular classical dance of the state. Cuttack is an important city and center of business and industries. Puri attracts many devotees and tourists alike to witness the Jagannath Rath Yatra. The famous Sun Temple at Konark is a popular tourist spot. Chilika Lake is famous for its bird sanctuary, which is a major tourist spot. This is all about Odisha. Let's learn about Andhra Pradesh. Hyderabad is the capital of Andhra Pradesh. Vishakhapatnam is the coastal region. It has a large port. Shipbuilding is undertaken in shipyards here. That's it for today. Have a nice day.